Hello guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Shooters sa may EDSA. Ito yung main branch nila. Here to review yung kanilang Mert Sav 9mm finger cutter PCC na MP5 style na PCC. So, I think marami sa inyo dito sure nagtatanong kung meron ba tayong mga MP5 style na mga rifles dito sa Philippines. Meron. Yun nga lang, they're actually quite pricey. But if you can find one, pwede namang i-lay away yun. So try buying one sa gun show kung talagang ganito yung style ng rifle or PCC na gusto nyo. So ito siya, pag kukuha kayo, it comes in a box, plastic box. So masarap siya na box dahil very well protected yung yung PCC mo. So let's have a look at what's inside. Okay? So, apat yung clasp niya. Buksan na lang natin. Yan. There you go. So, it comes with some magazines. Yung iba dito, hindi lang nila linagay. Pero, ayan. This is the rifle itself. Pero tinan muna natin yung mga iba niyang parts. It comes with this magazine. Okay? So, ito yung Mert Sav na magazine. I think. Compatible din to sa mga original HK na magazine. Gaya nito. This is an original MP5 na magazine. So, made in Germany. Kita nyo naman. This rifle is made in Turkey. I think this one hindi to kasama. Mert Sav yung magazine na makukuha nyo. Pero meron akong ganito for example. Meron sa tinabing ganito for example. Para ma-check natin yung compatibility. So, it comes equipped with this cleaning kit. Ito yung cleaning kit na kasama niya. No? Hindi ko lang mabuksan kasi guys, focus ko lang yan. Hindi ko lang mabuksan kasi isa lang yung kamay ko. Yung isa hawak yung camera. Check natin yung rifle. Comes with this sling. The sling is definitely high quality. Bakal yung lahat ng niya, ng buckles niya, no? Bakal lahat. So, it comes with this, I think it's cotton canvas sling. Hindi siya nylon. So that's good. Mas maganda yung quality. So, yun yung sling. So, check natin yung rifle, okay? So, na-fold yung stock nito. Sa Philippines, wala naman tayong mga SBR rules. So, pwede tayong magkaroon ng mga SBRs nang walang kahirap-hirap. So, gonna check it out. There you go. Okay. Check natin. Let's safety check first just to be sure na wala tayong problema. So, I'm going to... Ayan. So, nilock back ko lang. Ito yung rifle. Okay. So, hindi sa akin itong barrel na to. So, hindi ko siya i-HK slap ng biglaan. Pero we could, if you slap this, mabilis mo siyang ma-reload. So anyway, ito siya. So let's have a look at it. So unboxing video lang to guys, Hindi tayo magpa-firing or anything like that. So kitang-kita natin na caliber 9mm siya. Ito. So semi-auto lang, not full. Now fold yung stock. To do that, you press this. Okay? Tapos, ayan. Ganyan siya. And then, fold na siya. So, ganun. So, anyway. Tapos, pagbabalik mo, ganun lang. Okay? So, let's review it. So, ang ganda. I think this one is, 200 asul na agila. So, quite pricey. Pero, yun nga, kung gusto mo talaga ng MP5, guys, this is really the way to go. Kung gusto mo ng MP5 na clone. Check lang natin yung other side. Ayan siya. Polymer yung stock. Okay, polymer yung stock. Ito yung drum sight niya. HK drum sight. Trigger niya. Mag release. Okay. Finger cutter. This one is threaded. Okay, so pwede nating tanggalin to. Ayan. Pwede mong pakabitan to ng bayonet type na suppressor na lug. May suppressor para dito guys ha. Ayan, ayan siya. Ayan. So, babalik ko lang. So ako guys, matagal ko ng pangarap magka MP5 na style na PCC. Yung nga lang, hindi ko lang siya medyo not within my budget for now. But I might, hopefully, maybe in the future, I can get one of these. Kasi ang ganda talaga niya. Look at that. Yung niya, serial number niya nasa taas. Pwede itong kabitan ng claw type na Picatinny rail dito sa taas. May nabibiling ganon. Ito yung drum sight niya. Ayan. So, ito yung front sight niya. Try kong pakita yung ano niya, yung sight niya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan yung sight. And naro-rotate tong sights niya. Okay, naro-rotate yan. Maraming settings yan. Hindi ko na papakita kasi hawak ko yung camera. I can't manipulate it very easily. So yan. Overall, maliit lang siya. Under the new laws, guys, maganda to kasi madali na natin siyang madali na tayong makakapag-conceal carry sa bagong laws. Ayan, no. Madali na tayong makakapag-conceal carry sa bagong laws. Ayan. So, kung gusto mong mag-conceal carry, yung mga ganito, mabenta talaga. So, if you take the magazine, this one's German-made magazine. Ayan, it says there. Made in Germany. Subukan natin ilagay dito. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Gumagana naman. You can, I think, ito yung ano. I'm gonna see kung... Ayan, na-release yung magazine with this. Pero pwede rin itong paddle release niya. Pareho siya. So, you can release it with this or with this. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So there you go, guys. Ito yung ano natin, yung PCC offering na HK style na ano siya, no? This one is the Mertsav MSG 9PM in caliber 9mm. So great firearm over here. So maraming salamat kung sino man yung may-ari nito for letting me have a look. I am not sure kung sino yon. Pero thank you very much for letting me hold this dream PCC of this dream PCC na matagal ko na rin gusto. Kaya lang for the longest period of time wala lang siya sa budget, but I might get one someday, hopefully. So yun, guys, MP5 style finger cutter na PCC. Balik ko na siya dyan. This one is not there. Nabalik ko na to dito. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching.